Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the widget pop-up window on your Samsung Galaxy device. Samsung's widgets are powerful, but sometimes they clutter your home screen like here. What if you could summon them only when you need them? So you can. So here, if I go ahead and swipe right from my edge of a screen, you'll see that this opens up the widget pop-up window. So here I can go ahead and choose any widget I like and have a look at it and interact with it. So imagine checking your calendar, Spotify, or weather widget without leaving your current app. So that's exactly what the feature does. So here, if I'm in, let's say, Play Store, I can go ahead and open up the widget window and check out my widgets, interact with it. And once I'm done, I can go back to my Play Store here. So let me show you how you can turn this feature on. So for this, we need to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find One Hand Operation Plus. Make sure that is turned on. Now go ahead and configure the left or the right handle. I've just configured it for my left handle, so I'll tap on this. I want to go ahead and configure straight right. And here you want to go ahead and find the widget pop-up option. Tap on this. You can go ahead and configure this more. So you can go ahead and add a widget page looping. So if you have many widgets, you can basically just swipe and it'll go to the next page and then return back to the first page. So once that's done, press home. Now go ahead and turn on the widget window. So that's your widget window. To add a widget, go ahead and long press on this. Here you can go ahead and tap on add widgets. Go ahead and choose your widgets. And then you can go ahead and move it anywhere you like. If you want to add another page, tap on add page. If you want to go ahead and add the pop-up size, you can go ahead and make this much more larger as well. So this gives you a wide range of customization for this pop-up window. So this keeps your home screen clean and minimal. It boosts productivity by giving you info on demand. It looks futuristic like you're using a smart window system. It saves battery since widgets aren't running all the time on your home screen. So if you love multitasking or a clean setup, this is a must try. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the widget pop-up window on your Samsung Galaxy device.